I'm on a mission to take out every call center in this world and replace it with AI. And all this with only one CRM, one developer, and one AI integration. And I'm going to build all this step by step, guided, and turn this into a real life business case. We're going to implement AI for my visa consulting business that I'm building right now. But it doesn't matter what kind of business we are building or what you are planning to build, because this video series and the guide will fit for any business. And even if you are not a business owner or trying to implement it in your business, this might be valuable for you if you're starting out and looking for options to become self-employed, and use this as a service that you can offer to other people. And don't worry, I'm not a developer. The last experience I had was with Java in 10th grade. Shout out to my teacher, Mr. Koch. Oh, and did I mention that we will do all this without coding ourselves? With this series, there will be links all over my profile and under this video where you can download the step-by-step guide for any business to implement AI. So you can do everything exactly the way I did, but in your pace. So let's start working. And this right here is one of the use cases that we are trying to achieve. So we want a virtual chatbot right here, and we also want a voice agent that we can talk to. And to show you how this AI voice agent should work, I've pulled up everything on my phone. Now we're going to test the AI.
Before we dive in, I just want to confirm I'm talking to the right person.
My name is Jeff.
What specific tasks are eating up most of your time right now that you would want to outsource?
Oh, that's good. That's a good question. I would say mainly follow-ups and even initial calls, cold callings, but also reaching out, answering questions, because there's so many visa changes every day and you can't really keep up because of all these big headlines. We're always confused,
I totally get it. Visa regulations shift constantly, and staying on top of that while managing client calls and follow-ups is a nightmare. So right now, are you handling all those calls and follow-ups yourself, or do you have a
Team helping you manage the volume?
So yeah, I have a team. It's a small team, but I would like to enhance AI and use all the capabilities of AI to make them better and not to just replace them. What do you think about that?
That's exactly the right mindset, Jeff. AI should amplify your team's capabilities, not replace them. Imagine your team focusing on the complex relationship building parts of visa consulting while AI handles the repetitive follow-ups, initial screening calls, and keeping clients updated on regulation changes. That's where the real magic happens. Have you experimented with any AI tools yet, or would this be your first time diving into it?
Yeah, I was using ChatGPT to ask 10 good business ideas. No, I'm joking.
I appreciate the honesty. So you haven't really implemented AI into your actual operations yet? That's totally normal.
All right, this was one of the examples, and now we're shifting over to the real part. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the guide, and it has over 51 pages, and we're gonna go through every step individually and break it down as easy as possible. And we can break this all down into key AI use cases that we're gonna use for our business. One of them will be outbound voice AI calls. So basically, what I've did earlier, I was doing the calls myself. So now we're gonna replace this with AI. The second thing is gonna be the inbound calls. So whenever I'm stuck in appointments and somebody's calling me back or trying to request any information from me or my business, the AI will handle this as a virtual receptionist. Number 3 is going to be a website chatbot, basically an AI chat assistant that is chatting in live time. Number 4, a social media DM automation. So this is going to be an integration similar to the AI chat assistant, the chatbot on the website, but also integrated to social media accounts, so that whenever I'm doing stuff, then my AI can chat with any people that are interacting with my content. Number 5, AI-driven email campaigns. We will use AI to write and personalize emails at scale. So what I have in my vision is, if somebody opts in, gives me their data, that they're from the beginning are receiving emails for the next several weeks or months. And the last part is going to be workflow automations and integrations, which might be the hardest, but the most crucial part, because there everything comes together in the next video, where we are starting with building a fully functional AI voice agent. So go to the next video And also don't forget to download that guide so you can do this step by step yourself. See you in the next video.